5 December, the third European Parliament of Persons with Disabilities will gather more than 400 delegates from organizations of persons with disabilities all around Europe. Together with members of the European Parliament and other decision makers, we will discuss how the European Union can ensure the protection of the rights of its 80 million citizens with disabilities in these times of crisis. We want an accessible Europe where all citizens have equal rights and opportunities. We want nothing to be decided about us without us.